we will continue the chapter alcohols, phenols and ethers. Today we will discuss the preparation of phenols, the different types of what are different methods of preparation of phenols. Phenol, also known as carbonic acid, can be prepared from benzene derivatives. Phenol means what? Benzene ring with an OH. It can be prepared from benzene derivatives by the following methods. There are mainly 4 methods. The first method is the preparation from haloarenes. Next is the preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. And the next preparation from diazonium salts and from cumene. Cumene is the most important worldwide production of phenol. For that, this from cumene method is used for the worldwide production of phenol. Das method is used. These are the main 4 methods. Let's study each method in detail. Preparation from chlorobenzene or from haloarenes is what we are going to discuss. How phenol is prepared from haloarenes. That is, when chlorobenzene reacts with or when it is fused with sodium hydroxide NaOH at 623 Kelvin and also about 320 atmospheric pressure, we will get sodium phenoxide. When it is fused, chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at a particular temperature and pressure, we will get sodium phenoxide, and when we acidify sodium phenoxide, we will get phenol. Let us look. This is chlorobenzene. The equation is chlorobenzene. When reacts or when fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin and also what 320 atmospheric pressure, we will get what? Sodium phenoxide. This is what? Sodium phenoxide, that is O minus Na plus. And this sodium phenoxide, when we acidify it with what? HCl. Acidification means adding HCl. When we acidify it with HCl, we will get phenol. This is the first method of preparation from haloarenes. Adding NaOH to chlorobenzene will give you sodium phenoxide and acidifying it will give you phenol. Second method of preparation is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. That is, when we react the benzene with a compound called oleum, that is H2S2O8. When benzene reacts with oleum, we will get what? Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, that is benzene with an SO3H group. And then what? Fusing it with NaOH and acidification will give you phenol. The second steps are same. The first step is only different. That is when benzene react with oleum, or when benzene react with oleum, we will get what? Benzene sulfonic acid, that is SO3H. This is benzene sulfonic acid, and then this on what? NaOH, addition of NaOH on heating with NaOH and acidification, that is H+. We will get phenol. This is the second method of preparation. Benzene reacting with oleum will give you benzene sulfonic acid, and then that on fusing with NaOH and acidification will give you what? Phenol. The third important method of preparation of phenol is from diazonium salt. That is, when we treat a primary aromatic amine is treated with nitrous acid. What is nitrous acid? It is a combination of HCl and NaNO2. When what primary aromatic amine reacts with nitrous acid and NaNO2, nitrous acid, that is NaNO2 plus HCl, what we will get diazonium salt at a particular temperature, that is 273 to 278 Kelvin. When we heat it, we will get diazonium salt. And this diazonium salt, either we warm it with water or what we will dilute it with acids. Dilute acid. When we warm it with water or dilute acids, we will get phenol. This is the reaction. Let us look. This is what phenol. No, phenol. This is a primary aromatic amine, NH2. This is what? Aniline. Aniline. When aniline react with what? Nitrous acid, that is HNO2, or we will write it as HNO2. Nitrous acid is HNO2. That is the combination of NaNO2 and HCl. What we will get, or we can write what here? NaNO2 plus HCl. Either we can write this or HNO2 we can write. This is nitrous acid. At a particular temperature, that is 273 to 278, will give you what? Diazonium salt. Okay, this will give you diazonium salt, that is N2 plus Cl minus. This is diazonium salt, N2 plus and Cl minus. Benzene with N2 plus and Cl minus will give you diazonium salt. Next is warming it with water. With H2O, warm. We will get what? Phenol. Plus what we will get? N2 plus HCl. This is the reaction. When primary aromatic amine or an aniline is treated with what? Nitrous acid, that is a combination of NaNO2 and HCl, will give you diazonium salt. And this diazonium salt on warming with water or with dilute acids will give you phenol. The last and the final method is the preparation from cumene. How phenol is prepared from cumene? Cumene is what? Isopropyl benzene. It is isopropyl benzene is cumene. Cumene, when it reacts with air or when it is oxidized in the presence of air, we will get cumene hydroperoxide. And this cumene hydroperoxide, when it is warmed with water, the presence of H plus will give you phenol and acetone. This is the industrial preparation of phenol. Industrial means what? We will get large quantities. To get large quantities, industrial preparation. Other all are laboratory methods. In lab we will do. But this is the industrial preparation method. Bulk we will prepare by this method. Cumene or the isopropyl benzene. What is isopropyl benzene or cumene? Benzene what? Or I will write here itself, okay? It is CH3. This is isopropyl benzene. When it reacts with what? Oxygen, oxidized in the presence of air, we will give you, you can see, look. CH3, and instead of this H we will get what? Oxygen. This O2 will insert in between this CH. What it will be? COOH. This is cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide is this. And when this cumene hydroperoxide reacts with H plus dilute acid, when it reacts with dilute acid, we will get phenol and acetone. Phenol and also acetone, CH3, CO, CH3. This is the fourth and the most important method, preparation from cumene. Okay students, we are going to conclude. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thank you and have a nice day.